So, students, we are here with lesson number 4, Leçon 4, Le Petit Prince. To inform you about it, we don't have to do Leçon 4, Le Petit Prince from the book. We have to do instead of this text, Un Champion, which is given in your syllabus. So, I'm skipping this. I'm skipping these three activities as well, activity number 1, 2, and 3, because they are not supposed to be done in the book. So, we'll be starting with the topic, the activities, and the first activity is based on the tense called la paraphrase. La paraphrase is what? Let me discuss a little about it and then we'll go with the exercises. La paraphrase stands for past continuous tenses or used to sentences. To do la paraphrase, first of all, we have to conjugate the verb with nu subject pronoun. We have to take nu, whether it is er ending verb, ir, or re. We have to conjugate with nu. After conjugating with nu, we have to drop ons. Ons we have to drop, remove it, and whatever is left, that is called the stem. In this stem we have to add the terminaison, that is endings of la paraphrase are ais, ait, ions, iez, aient, right? And you can check here one conjugation I'm showing you: finir, to finish. Finissons, ons is dropped, fini double s is left, and I'm adding in this ais, ait, ions, iez, aient. Same thing for commencer and nage we have to do, right? All right. So based upon this learning, we have to do some activities. Let's go ahead and do it. Before starting this activity number 4, I would like to inform you that eth verb is the only exception in this aparife. So it comes et, and we have to add ais, ait, ions, iz, aint in et word only. All right. So first activity number 4 is this. Met les verbs in la parfait, put the verbs in la parfait, chew, dash, faire, te dawa. So if we do conjugation of nous, it becomes faison, faison, faison. So ons I'm dropping, fais is left, and in this I have to add ais. So tu faisais is the answer. Vous lire ce journal. So lire will be lison in nous form, and you can see ons will be dropped, lis is left, and I'll add iez. Il mette, METT, because metre will be in nu, METTONS, mettons. ONS will be dropped, METT plus AINT. Je buvais, boire verb is BUVONS, buvons. We have to drop ONS and then it will be added AIS. Comprenez, so it is like COMPRENONS, comprenons. ONS will be dropped and then we have to add AIT. Vouloir. Vouloir according to nu is voulons, VOULONS. Onus is dropped. VOUL plus AIT. Avoir. According to nu is AVONS. Onus is dropped. AV plus AIS. Être. As I said, this is exception. ET plus IONS you have to write. Now, activity number 5. Let's do it. It is in la parfait. Some is être verb, so nous jetions. Il ouvrait, ouvrons word, so OUVR plus AIENT. Vano, so it will be VENAIS. Vous allez, ALLIEZ, according to vous. El rempli, REMPLISSONS is there, the conjugation according to nous, so NS drop. REMPLISSAIT, because still here is the stem, we make it. Ils font du bruit, faisait, we saw one, FAIS plus AINT. Il faisait du bruit. Vous dites la vérité, vous disiez, because DISONS, ONS drop, DAS plus IZ, la vérité, the truth. Je pars avec mes amis, I'm living with my friends. Je partais, partons, ONS drop, PRTAIS, avec mes amis. I was living with my friends. Nous commençons à travailler, so nous commencions, IONS, because ONS is already given, same verb, but we'll drop ONS and we'll add IONS. Ils descendent l'escalier, ils descendaient AIT l'escalier, right? So students, this is activity number 5. Let's move on to the next. Activity number 6, what do we have to do in this? You have to write la paraphrase again, But these all are pronominal verbs. You can see sir, s apostrophe. Whenever you see se or s apostrophe added in the beginning, that means it is a pronominal verb. To do pronominal, you have to only take care that sir will be done with subject pronoun like je, moi, tu, toi, il, se, elle, se, nous, nous, vous, vous, il, se, elle, se. That will follow, and then after you can do the normal way like vous promeniez. So vous will take vous and promeniez same way. ONS dropped, IEZ will be added. Tu te dépêchais. So tu will take to and dépêcher, same rule as we have discussed earlier. Elle s'habillait. Elle will take so. Nous will take nous. Essayons. Asseyons. So asseyons means to sit down. Je me réveillais. AIS according to je, me and AIS. Vous laviez. So will be vous here because according to vous, we write vous. Lavier, IZ, according to vous, la parfait. Now here are some writers, French writers, about whom we have to know. Let's read about them. Les écrivains, the writers, Antoine de Saint-Exupéry, Le Petit Prince has written. Molière has written La Maladie Imaginaire. Victor Hugo has written Les Miserables. La Fontaine has written Fable. Voltaire has written Lettres philosophiques. Alexandre Dumas has written Les Trois Mousquetaires, the Three Musketeers. Now let's see the question. Activity number 7. Nomme quelques écrivains français. Name some French writers. Antoine de Saint-Exupéry, Molière, Victor Hugo, etc. These are some French writers. Next question. Qui a écrit La Maladie Imaginaire? Who wrote Maladie Imaginaire? As per reading of ours, you can check here. Molière. Molière a écrit La Maladie Imaginaire. Molière has written La Malade Imaginaire. Now for activity number 8, students. This is here. We have to complete the blank. Le Petit Prince écrit par The Little Prince, the translation of it in English, is written by Antoine de Saint-Exupéry. Second, La Fontaine a écrit Fables. Les Misérables écrit par Victor Hugo. Voltaire a écrit Les Lettres philosophiques. Les Trois Mousquetaires écrit par The Three Musketeers is written by Alexandre Dumas. Nomme les écrivains de ton pays. Name the writers of your country. Munshi Premchand, R.K. Narayan, V.S. Naipaul, and Ruskin Bond. These are some writers of your country, India. So we have completed, students, till activity number 9. We have to do some exercises. Let's proceed. We are supposed to do one exercise from here, exercise number 1 and exercise number 4. Let's do exercise number 1 first of La Parfait. This is La Parfait, which you have already discussed about. Let's check quick the answers. Nous jetondions, IONS. Vous lisiez, IZ. Il se brossait, AIENT. Tu, AIS. Tu pouvais. Nous étions, ET, because être verb. Il ne pouvait pas, pouvoir verb. Nous ne nous l'avions pas. So this is negative pronominal. So no, then pronominal pronoun, then verb conjugation, then pas. Nous ne nous l'avions pas. This is important. Question number 8. Bouvet, boire we saw, BUVONS, ONS dropped, and then AIS. Pierre ne voulait pas. Nous connaissions pas. Non, connaissions only. Tu ne mettais pas, mettre verb. Vous couchiez. Sorry, cachiez. And s'appeler verb, SIA verb. So all this will be done on the similar rules. That is, you have to conjugate first the verb with new subject pronoun, drop ONS from there, and add AIS, AIS, AIT, IONS, IEZ, and AIENT. Right? Let's move on the last exercise of the chapter we are supposed to do. That is exercise number 4. Complete cette histoire en utilisant la paraphrase. You have to complete this story by using la paraphrase. Il y avait, avoir verb, AV plus AIT. Longtemps une fille qui s'appelait AIT because fille is third person singular. Elle habitait, habiter verb, AIT will be added. Avec ses parents, son père travaillait, AIT because again son père, third person singular number. Comme un fermier, as a farmer. Et sa mère était, être verb, ET will be taken and AIT. Une femme au foyer, ses parents l'aimaient, AINT because parents here is plural word. Beaucoup, quand elle avait, again avoir verb, and elle, AVAIT. 5 ans, elle faisait, faire verb, FAIS plus AIT. Des choses incroyables, elle, avoir verb, AV plus AIT. De pouvoir miraculeux, elle pouvait, AIT because L here and pouvoir, right? So this is exercise number 4, students, and this is the end of lesson number 3, uh, 4, explanation of the text, activities, and the exercises. La Parfait tense you have to know well. You can even watch another video on La Parfait itself to understand the rules better. So this much for today, students. Au revoir, bonne journée.